Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over report access. The report access is where you tell the system what reports staff members can and can't see. So for this, we got to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and go to your menu icon here at the top left, and then go to location setup, and then report access. So if it's your first time adding a report access, it'll ask you here in the middle if you want to create one. Otherwise, it'll be up here, top right. As you can see, I've already got several on here already. Please review this and make sure your system is set up the way you want it. Mine is just maybe some suggestions at best. So I'm not going to create a new one, but I am just going to go into a couple just to give you some ideas of how this could be set up. So for example, like if I go into owner, I usually create one for owner, and it's got everything checked. These are all your options for reports. We've got sales report, we've got labor report, payroll report, loyalty report, gift report, and batch credit card reports. That's it. Those are your options. So I usually create one that has all of them, and then you can assign the staff members here you want it assigned to. And then I usually create one for managers. Now managers, typically they don't need to see the batch credit card report. Usually that's just owners that does that. However, there are some locations where the managers need to know that too. So, but this is an example of what you could do. Now keep in mind too with this that if you have this assigned to a manager, all these report access, this is only applying to the workstation. So this is only if they're looking up reports on the workstation. And able to get to the reports over here, and able to get to this reports, you have a different login for that. So that would be a different area to stop those. This is only for the POS. So now let me go into cashier, and we could use this for, this is pretty much the same as servers. I usually set both about the same, but let's say we don't want any access to any reports. You don't need to see anything. Now, just because we leave sales report unchecked doesn't mean they won't be able to do their checkout report. They can still do their checkout report. They're still going to be able to see that. They're still going to be able to print that. It's totally separate than this report. None of these reports. This is only if they're on the point of sale terminal and they go to the reports button. These are the reports that are or are not going to show up. But once you're done adding everything, always make sure you get that save successful down here. And make sure you publish your changes and get your successful banner down there again. Now, if you need to change report access for reports that are back here, that is in the user setting, which is over here. And you have a different permissions area here. So you can create kind of the same thing here, but this pertains to access here to the back end. But I've got a full video on users and how to edit those on a different video for the report access here for the point of sale. All right, that's all I got for this video. Hope you got something out of this. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.